Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss another part of speech that plays an essential role in enhancing the meaning and clarity of a sentence. Adverb. Do you know how to identify an adverb used in a sentence? Keep watching to learn more. But before you continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. What are adverbs? Adverbs are words that modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. They add depth and specificity to a sentence, giving more details about the action or state being described. They provide additional information about how, when, where, how often, or to what extent an action or quality is performed. Adverbs usually end in ly. Here is a list of common adverbs categorized by the type of information they provide. Adverbs of manner. These adverbs tell us how an action is performed. Examples are quickly, loudly, easily, slowly, and carefully. Adverbs of time. These adverbs tell us when an action occurs. Examples are now, never, tomorrow, always, and often. Adverbs of place. These adverbs tell us where an action occurs. Examples are here, everywhere, inside, outside, and nowhere. Adverbs of frequency. These adverbs tell us how often an action occurs. Examples are always, sometimes, often, occasionally, and seldom. Adverbs of degree. These adverbs tell us to what extent or degree an action is performed. Examples are very, to, quite, almost, and nearly. We also have adverbs of certainty, which tell us how sure or certain something is. Examples are certainly, perhaps, likely, surely, and clearly. Then, we have adverbs of purpose, which tell us why an action is performed. Examples are so, thus, therefore, consequently, and that. This is not an exhaustive list of adverbs because there are many more adverbs in the English dictionary. Here are some examples of adverbs in sentences. The car moved slowly. Slowly modifies the verb moved, describing how it moved. He completed the task efficiently. Efficiently modifies the verb completed, describing how he completed the task. Now, can you think of a sentence with an adverb in it? That's great! Knowing to identify adverbs in sentences and knowing how to use them can go a long way in studying the English language. Now let us test your understanding. Answer this 3-item practice exercise if you really understand the topic. In this practice exercise, you need to identify the adverb used in the sentence. For number 1, the train arrived late at the station. What is the adverb used in the sentence? Letter A, arrived. Letter B, late. The correct answer is letter B, late. Late is an adverb of time, indicating when the train arrived. Arrived, on the other hand, is a verb. For number 2, the baby slept peacefully in the crib. What is the adverb used in the sentence? Letter A, peacefully. Letter B, slept. The correct answer is letter A, peacefully. Peacefully is an adverb of manner, expressing how the baby slept. Slept is rather a verb. For the last item, the movie is almost 2 hours long. What is the adverb used in the sentence? Letter A, almost. Letter B, long. The correct answer is letter A, almost. Almost is an adverb that provides information about the degree or extent of an action, quality, or condition. Long is rather an adjective. Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope you got all the answers right. If not, you can still repeat this video and learn once again. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.